Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your accounts and connections match. Sign into the same PlayStation Network account on both your console and the PS app. This is critical for pairing. Once signed in, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and that your console's remote play and network-powered options are enabled. Now move to the console, open Settings, and go to Remote Play Connection Settings because that's where the pairing process begins. Once done with basic setup, open the PS app and choose Connect to PS5 or PS4, then select Connect manually to prepare for a code. On the console, navigate to Settings, then Remote Play or Link Device to display the 6-digit pairing code. This code exists briefly to secure the connection. Enter that code into the PS app promptly. If you don't enter it in time, the code expires, so repeat the code step and try again. After entering the code, you'll finalize the connection by confirming the console shows the phone as connected and the app switches to remote play or second screen mode. Make sure performance by using a wired LAN for the console or moving closer to the router. Unstable Wi-Fi causes drops. If pairing fails, re-sign into PlayStation Network on both devices and generate a new pairing code on the console. Because stale tokens or mismatched.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.